going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over the whole cryptocurrency market right now, because right now there's a lot of FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. A lot of people think that crypto is about to crash, and I don't think it's crashing. I think it's correcting so it can get ready to go on an uptrend. But let's talk about that right now, because going here on Google Trends, you can see what everyone is searching for right now: crypto crashing now, crypto crashing today, why is crypto crashing, crypto crashing. It's just a bunch of whole FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's what's going on. Everyone is talking about this right now. So the reason why everyone thinks it's crashing, look, Bitcoin is down 7% last 7 days, 3% last 24 hours, but it's been way worse previously, and we're still going down. People are wondering why we aren't just shooting up like we were before. And we were in a huge bull market before. It was a huge bull run, and we went up a lot, so we're still correcting. Looking at it from this view, you can see that Bitcoin is actually consolidating. So is every other crypto. Like when we look at it, we can see every single crypto is in a period of consolidation right now. So this is what we're seeing right here. So every single crypto is going to come out looking just like that. Now let's go over here. I've been following Dogecoin a lot, so I probably already have something drawn up here on Dogecoin. But yeah, this was the consolidation here in Dogecoin. I was doing a little prediction on what we're about to do in the consolidation. As you can see, Dogecoin is in consolidation just like Bitcoin, and I was also following Shiba Inu here. The other one here, Shiba Inu, the same kind of pattern that we have going on here, the same thing as Bitcoin. So we know Bitcoin is like the one all be all. Everything follows Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is following Bitcoin. Everything. You can even look up Ethereum. Ethereum kind of almost has its own path, but doesn't necessarily have it. It's still kind of around the same as Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Like as you can see, it still is on a consolidation period. Like everything is consolidating. So that's why I was putting these videos saying it's about to blow up, it's about to break out. As you can see, now we can continue to dip. Don't think that we cannot dip. Remember, the whales really tell where we're going to go. So remember, even though these are technicals, the whales really tell where we're going to go, even though everything is consolidating. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but let's just go back here and look at what we have for some of our whales. We have a lot of different whales inside of all of these different cryptos. So the first ones we're going to look at Bitcoin. So $640 billion is inside of Bitcoin right now. Whole $640 billion in market cap. So looking at the Bitcoin whales, this is one of the Bitcoin whales, right? I'll show you what number he is inside of here, but look at how much money this Bitcoin whale has. So this Bitcoin whale has $1.1 billion inside of Bitcoin. So this Bitcoin whale sold $2.1 million worth of Bitcoin on the 4th, right? So this billionaire sells, $2.1 million on the 4th, but then this billionaire goes on to buy 1 million here. Look over here. Look at this. This is $1 million here, 1 million here, 100K here, 200K here, 500K here, 1.4 million here, 500 million here, 2.6 million here. These were all purchased today. So at $36,000, this Bitcoin whale is seeing this as a steal, and they're purchasing more today. So that's why I'm saying all these cryptos are about to blow up, because they all follow Bitcoin. That is why Shiba Inu is about to blow up. That's why Dogecoin is about to blow up. They all follow Bitcoin. So when you see these billionaires here, they're just purchasing more and more every single day. That something big is about to happen. So let's go over here and find another one. So this one right here purchased on the 27th last month, and the dates are over here in the highlighted area. So this one was a purchase. So I think I already went to this one. No, this one was purchased today. But yeah, this was just a few dollars here and there. This could actually be an exchange, little exchange rates. You see the little dollars here and there. So it's hard to kind of track them and what they do. But you can see a lot of them are selling a lot, 3.5 million. That's also why you see it dropping today. And really for the whole week, there's a lot of whales sorting all of these Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all of that. Everything is going down. So it's not just one thing that is dipping heavy. Everything is dipping heavy. And looking over here at the Dogecoin whales, the Dogecoin whales seem to hold harder. They hold way longer than these Bitcoin whales. So we have stronger hodlers here with Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin. Looking at our top whale never is selling ever. They just have so much Dogecoin, so much, like $11.5 billion. That's a lot of money to have in Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not a financial advisor. I'm not telling everyone to hold, but I am saying something of a crash is what you can say has already happened. But I would say this is a correction, because the crash happened and now the correction happens where we have little dips. we come to this area to where we can finally have peace and actually be stable. So I think right now with Bitcoin, 30,000 is a sweet spot right now, but it needs to stay above that, because if we go below 30,000, then the FUD really sets on. But even though there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, we can still see that other cryptos are still having good news. So over here, Solana blockchain allegedly raising up to $450 million as it takes on Ethereum. So let's look up Solana. Solana is doing just doing all right. It's not doing as well because you got to think everything follows Bitcoin. So even though Solana has all this good news, they're still FUD. So as you can see, the last 24 hours, yeah, it's down, but in the last 7 days, Solana has had a huge uptrend. So that's why I say everything doesn't 100% follow Bitcoin, because then you look over here for Bitcoin the last 7 days, Bitcoin has been doing pretty bad. Well, not bad, but it's been trading down. And pretty much everything else in the last 7 days, I think Dogecoin may actually be up in the last 7 days 5%. So not everything is completely down in the last 7 days, because Bitcoin, I guess, is just one of those ones that are. But yeah, Solana raising up all that money. That's a lot of money raised up. And another thing, El Salvador looks to make Bitcoin legal. So they're looking to make Bitcoin a legal tender. This is huge news here about El Salvador. And there's also more and more big news just coming out back to back with all this crypto, right? So let's look over here. Bitcoin price live. Trump calls crypto a scam. This is also something that is going on in the crypto community. All this FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. I'm going to be saying this word a lot lately because you need to know what these people are trying to do. But we have some good news. NHL San Jose Sharks joined Bitcoin bandwagon. That's one of the good catalysts we got here. Bitcoiners look to move to El Salvador because of what I just mentioned. Interest in El Salvador real estate has spiked after President Nayib Bukele declared Bitcoin legal tender and detailed the benefits of moving to the country. Great weather, world-class surfing beaches, beachfront properties for sale, he tweeted. No capital gains tax for Bitcoin. That is huge since it will be a legal currency. So that's really huge that there's going to be no capital gain tax inside of El Salvador. I might have to go get a place out there. I don't know. That's a big move to make, but that has a good thing for crypto. And another thing for crypto that is bad is Donald Trump calls Bitcoin a scam. Former US President Donald Trump, he just called Bitcoin a scam. So look over here. Bitcoin is it just seems like a scam. I was surprised, with us, it was a $6,000 and much lower something. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to the currency of the world. I don't know why they have these huge spelling errors here. But yeah, there's a lot of spelling errors. He's pretty much saying that he wants the dollar to be the number one currency of the world. That will not happen with all the US dollar being printed. I mean, El Salvador is looking like a good place to go right now for crypto because no capital gains tax. That is going to be really life-saving for a lot of people. So Bitcoin price to hit $500,000. And I definitely think Bitcoin can hit $500,000 by next year. That's definitely a good target for Bitcoin. I would say by the end of this year, 100,000. If it could do that, Bitcoin investors have a very bullish outlook on it. I definitely have a very bullish outlook on Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all the cryptos, honestly. Ethereum, I want to invest in all of them, but it's hard to put a lot of money inside of all of them because you never want to spread yourself too thin with all this. But let's keep on reading what we have about El Salvador because that is some really good news right there. Okay, so cryptocurrency price check. El Salvador looks to make Bitcoin legal tender. That's huge. Cryptocurrency prices were down slightly. Blah, blah, blah. Bitcoin's world largest cryptocurrency. They're just giving a little outlook on the Bitcoin thing here. Musk had tweeted last month that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin. Blah, blah, blah. Cryptocurrency has been a factor in several ransomware cases. They're just giving the background. But see how they just spread the FUD so, thinly right there. Cryptocurrency has been a factor in several ransomware cases. Like they're putting more fear out there. And then they say President Joe Biden last week issued a national security study focused on financial crimes. So look at this. They're doing so many things to push down crypto. So that's what I'm saying. There's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. So even though they're talking about the good stuff with El Salvador, they mention all the bad stuff with the United States and crypto. So that is something you have to think about here. You do not want to buy and then, get this FUD and then just want to sell. So fear, uncertainty, doubt, remember that always circulates everywhere in the stock market and crypto. It is everywhere and a lot is happening here. So look here, it says crashing crypto prices spooked some new investors. Others are doubling down. So pretty much the new investors with the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, the doubt, that are so scared of all of this, they're selling out. But all the old investors, all the whales with millions and billions of dollars, are buying more and more crypto because they know that it can't be stopped. Like, all it takes is for one country to regularize it, just regulate it. And El Salvador being that country, when people start to move to El Salvador, everyone will notice it and they will want that traffic back to their country, and it will cause a cycle of everyone starting to accept it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Not telling anyone to buy and hold, but that's just my strategy. You don't have to follow the same exact strategy. So remember, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video.